Hey my friends, 𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸 here, and I really wanted to come and answer the question, which is email processing system newbie proof? Okay, and my answer to that is absolutely, it certainly is. So let me start off by telling you what the email processing system is and how it works and how you can make money online simply, okay, how you can make money online and make money online fast with email processing system. So email processing system allows you to get commissions of $25, $50, or $100. Okay, you decide, do you want to come in at the $25 level, the $50 level, or the $100 level? Okay, whatever level you come in, you never have to pay that again. There are no monthly auto ships, okay, which is awesome. So once you come in, you have a business in a box. You could go out, start promoting, and whatever you make, it is paid directly to you to PayPal. That's it. Like, this is simple. Okay. Now, what do you do to make money? All right. Well, when you join email processing system, we give you the pre-written ads. No wondering what it is that you have to say or how to advertise or market. We tell you, we give you the pre-written ads. We show you where to place them online to be able to bring in profits. When people go to your website, which we help you get through us, once people go to your website and they purchase, you are paid instantly to your PayPal. To your PayPal. There's no middleman. There's no company writing you a check. If you wanted to make $100 today, if you want to make $300 today, it's paid directly to you. All right? Instant payment program. All right? The only thing you have to do is when people join you in email processing system, you're going to send them an email with their purchase, which is, our product is digital marketing training and pre-written ads. Okay, so you send them their purchase and you help them get plugged into our team Facebook group and rinse and repeat. I can tell you that the email processing system, the training that comes with it, is worth the cost times 5, because it teaches you how to market online, which is why a lot of people fail. They don't know what they're doing. They don't know what they're doing. And as a result, they're struggling. As a result, they think everything is a scam because they failed because they didn't know how to market online. And the email processing system takes care of all of that. So I said all that, but I wanted to really just show you, because I've been showing my proof, but I wanted to show you someone else's proof. To show you, in our team, someone who is, this is Janelle, and this is her testimony, and this is what she posted in our group and her proof. So she said, you know, I was in here earlier today, proof again. I'm out running errands, shopping. It's my, is that 8-year wedding anniversary today. So that's a total of 9 sales that I got this week, just part-time, working 2 to 3 days a week tops, and the evenings when I get home. Over $325 on complete autopilot. I don't have to go and get a part-time job. Instead, I created one. I love what I do, and I do what I love. And she just posted all of her PayPal screenshots so that everyone else in our team could see what she's doing. Now, here's what I want for you. You know, if you want to learn more about how this really works, you want a behind-the-scenes sneak peek, listen, what I want you to do is check out the comment section. My contact information is below. I want you to get connected to me, all right? And here's what's going to happen. Once you get connected to me, I'm going to plug you into this group. And you can sit and you can watch. You can get a sneak peek on how this works. There's no secret sauce. There's no secret as to what we do and how we do it. So you could see, are people really getting results, and how are we doing it? All right, $25, $50, $100 commissions. Like, do the math. If you were able to get in, you know, $25 a day, what would that do for your economy? What about $50 a day or $100 a day? What would that do for you? And these commissions are simple, and the marketing for this program is simple. That's why it's so newbie proof. I love it. It's not complicated, and it's actually an in-demand program. So that's it. I'm done. Like, comment, and subscribe if you're watching this on YouTube. And my email address is partnerwithshin daily.mailboxprofits@gmail.com. And that's it. All right. My website is daily.mailboxprofits.com. daily.mailboxprofits.com. All right. I look forward to helping you win online. And here's to success in 2018. Bye, guys.